Cup of tea, anyone? Tea ladies here. All right, Betty. Right, chaps. Today we're going to be making this workshop trolley. It's made out of half a sheet of 18mm plywood. It's real simple construction and it's totally customizable to your needs, as you can see. Demonstrated by me and my sciatica back. Oh. We'll get straight on with the build. We'll start cutting the plywood down on the table saw and then we'll start cross-cutting everything at the miter saw.
Your video. I'm on a diet, just eating eggs and coffee.
That's all the pieces cut to size. These are 75mm across. We haven't got the final dimensions this way yet, but we will have soon. This is 500 by 500, but it's all relative to your workshop space size and what you need anyway. Now what we're going to do is we're just going to start assembling it all with glue and brad nails. Now about to attach the connecting pieces or the legs, whatever you want to call them, from top to bottom. And I've made another tray here, which is exactly the same as this one, apart from it doesn't have this handle on it here. So it's just the basic tray there, as you can see. And we're just going to put some glue on these, and then we're going to attach pocket hole screws to hold them in place. Adaptation time now, guys. As you can see, the build itself is pretty simple, and there's loads of scope for doing any adaptations for your tools and accessories and items what you want to store on there. This first little unit that we've built here is going to be to put our clamps on. Really, everything's really simple what you can build to adapt on it, and it's just customizing it for you. As you can see then guys, we've customised it quite a bit to suit our needs. There's still plenty of scope for more customisation down here on the back and maybe around the side here. But yeah, there's plenty you can do to it. Just do whatever suits you for your workshop. If I was going to do it again, I'd probably build it 2 inches higher because I'm having to bend over a little bit like this to pull it. So definitely about 2 inches higher. I think it's sitting at about 800 mil now, so I'd probably do it about 850 just to save my back a bit. Dead simple to build, and it only took us about 3 or 4 hours, me and Jacob together. Really happy with it. I wanted one of these for ages. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. If you've got any questions, just ask me in the comments. I generally reply to just about all the comments. And if you'd like to support the channel, you can do that through PayPal, Patreon and channel membership. See you on the next one, guys. Bye.